How to cancel Deliveroo order or change delivery details. So first of all here, whether you're on Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad, you'll be on the Deliveroo homepage here. Then you want to click the top right hand corner after you've done your order where it says Order Help. So this is where you've actually done your delivery order already, then you want to cancel it. Top right hand corner, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you can click on Where's My Order if you want to know where it is currently. That's important as well because that will depend whether you can cancel it or not. Then you can click on Amend Order, you can add dietary requirements, you can call the restaurant if there's something you potentially forgot before your order. You can call them like that and that will be sorted. You can change the items as well in that. Also, you can update delivery details, so you can add rider instructions to change the delivery address, the delivery time, and your phone number. So that means you can pick up the order when they arrive. And you can also click on Cancel Order. You have to go to the live chat for that. And you can also click on Something Else as a different thing. On the live chat there, you can go ahead and type in whatever your issue is. And that's how it's done. Any of them, leave a like on the video if they helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.